Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to make Nutella at home because kids are loves it. We'll see what are the ingredients need for that. We need peanuts, 100 grams of peanuts, 2 or 3 tablespoons of powdered sugar, 1.5 tablespoon cocoa powder and 1.5 tablespoon melted butter and few drops of vanilla. Now we must first roast this cashews because this is the been roast one. We must roast and grind it and take. We'll roast the peanuts. Keep in medium flame and do like this for few minutes. You see now little bit okay. The sound coming in there. There, see. Another little few minutes. Keep that off the cooker. It took time. We can remove it. Can remove from hand. Then it is okay. You see. Now off the cooker. Now keep on the pan few minutes and after that put it to a serviette. Now okay. Now we put into a serviette. After that fold like 4 sides and fold like this and do like this. Here I clean halfly, another little have to clean. We must clean the dust all and after that again clean. Then everything will be okay. Like this. I change the towel also. You use 2 towels and clean like this. Here my all the cashews peel off. Now we can grind it and take. We'll grind all the peanuts first. Here I grinded nicely. We'll grind another little also once again. Now we'll add the butter, melted butter, 1.5 tablespoon. And little vanilla. And the cocoa powder. And sugar also. 2 tablespoons of sugar enough. If you want more sweet, you add another little sugar. We'll mix this, grind this all together. Here this is my Nutella I made, but I add half a cup of milk, take half cup of fresh milk, and when you are grinding this, little by little add and take this consistency. Then it's becoming like this. Now you can apply or spread in bread or bun or anything. You can spread it and eat. If you like this video, share this video. Thank you for watching.